Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing. I kind of have opened it already, had a little sneak peek, but we are unboxing another food subscription box, and it's called Dinnerly. So this is one of the more cheaper, more budget friendly options out there when it comes to food subscriptions, and I thought I would test it out. So I did find a coupon code online, so I got this one really cheap. I think I only paid like $20 including shipping for 3 meals. So yeah, that's 3 meals for 2 people, so you're looking at around about like $3.60, I think it was. Can't remember my calculations, but yeah, it works out to be really cheap per meal, per person. But if you were going to get it on normal price, it's around about $5.95 per person, like per meal, which is still pretty cheap compared to the other subscription boxes that I have tried. So I'm just going to show you guys how they package it, and maybe I'll show you guys how me cooking one of the meals or something. Dinnerly is a lot more cheaper. It's yeah, it doesn't come with any recipe cards. You actually have to print out the recipe cards, which I did. I printed this out today because I do like having my recipe cards in front, and I do keep them as well, like, you know, in case I want to cook it again in the future. You can cook with your iPad or your phone next to you, and that will definitely cut down waste as well. And here you will see that they have cut off a lot of packaging in a way, like compared to another subscription box that I have tried. Yeah, it's very minimal and simple. So yeah, most of the recipes, they only require like 6 ingredients. That's what makes it really simple, as well as really you know, cuts down the time when cooking. So these are the recipes that I decided to get, which is the chorizo paella. We've got the Indian beef curry with basmati rice, and the other one that I got was chicken and corn chowder. So you get like 6 options, and the plan that I got was 3 meals for 2 people. So this is what's in the box. So we've got a packet of tortilla wraps. I did notice as well that with this one they do keep the brand of the products, because again, I've tried another subscription box where they repackaged it. I guess that's what kind of makes it a little bit more expensive in a way, because they do kind of repackage it and rebrand it on their own. But yeah, I've noticed that this one, just looking at it, they do keep the brand of the actual product. So this one's Simpson's Pantry, and we've got some tortilla wraps. We've got here a herb bag, and this looks like parsley, I'm guessing. So it doesn't actually label it. That's another, I guess, to make it cheaper, they didn't label it. We've got some beans, so green beans. Here we've got some arborio rice, and this is 150 grams, so this is for our paella. And here, so again, they have the brand here. So this is Cara coconut milk, and this is for our curry. So that's 400 mils. Here we've got some basmati rice, again for our curry, so 150 grams. And yeah, we've got just random stuff here, like packed. Yeah, I don't really know if I really like how it's kind of packed, but again, it's for cost cutting, I guess. So we got our capsicum. This one would have been good if it was like kind of wrapped, because it's just chucked in there in the box just like that. So kind of bent, wilted. But we got a shallot. We've got 2 carrots here. We've got potato. We've got some chat masala spice seasoning, and here we've got some Mexican spice blend as well. So here you've got an insulated bag, which I'm guessing has all the frozen stuff in here. So you can reuse these bags. I do find them helpful. I have reused a few bags that I've gotten before. But here we've got all our frozen goods. So here we have our beef stir fry. So this is for the curry. This one looks like it's got repacked. It has the Dinnerly brand on there. So that's repacked. We've got some corn, so some frozen corn in here for our chowder. We've got some peas. This one, oh, that's a lot of peas. That one is for chorizo. We've got here some Portuguese chorizo 2-pack, and yeah, that one's for our paella. And the other thing that we have here is some chicken. So we got some fresh free-range chicken breast. Here has the brand, it has Lilydale, so it's from Lilydale, but it has been repacked, re-stickered. And here we just got some ice packs. So these ice packs are reusable. You can simply rinse, freeze, and reuse again and again. So I do like these ones. I do find them helpful, you know, when it comes to reusing. Take it on the go with you. And they're still pretty cold. So this has been sitting, I received my package probably about 3 hours ago. It's still all nice and cold. And yeah. So that is all the ingredients. Tonight, I think I might end up cooking 2 meals. One for dinner tonight and one for probably lunch tomorrow for work. But yeah, I'll probably do a separate video on that one. I will film me cooking these videos, and then me and hubby will probably do a taste test. So, and yeah. So that is it. As you can see, like everything's here. It's all packed. It's not packed like, don't really compare so much, but yeah, since it is budget friendly, yeah, it's just kind of minimal waste, which is a good thing. So yeah, I think that is it. I'm going to start cooking. If you guys are ever interested, I will leave their details down in the description box below. If you want to do check out Dinnerly, it is a more cheaper alternative, and I think they are like a sister company or something like that with Marley Spoon, or they are under Marley Spoon. So Marley Spoon is probably a more like gourmet style kind of dinner, a bit more on the pricey side, while this one is a lot more of the more budget friendly, because I think usually the meal plans will probably start at around about $30-40, while Marley Spoon will take you to around about $70. But as you can see here, it says that it is under Marley Spoon. And yeah, so that is it for this unboxing video. I am going to try cooking my meals. If you are interested in that video, please click the link or watch out for the next video. But that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye!